Paul D'Oliveira here from the law firm of D'Oliveira & Associates. What's my personal injury case worth? If you've been injured in a personal injury accident, such as a car accident, a slip and fall, from a dangerous drug, defective product, medical device, a number of different types of cases, you will be able to collect for your medical bills, your lost income, and your pain and suffering, among other losses. Our firm handles a lot of personal injury cases. The most difficult part of determining what a personal injury case is worth is when we negotiate pain and suffering with the insurance company. They always try to downplay a person's pain and suffering, especially in a car accident type of case. A lot of times they'll say, well, you know, there wasn't that much property damage and your client's been treating now for 3, 4, 5 months. We just don't buy it. You know, there was only $1,000 in damage to the car. Well, you know what? That's irrelevant in a lot of cases, because you can have a lot of property damage and someone can walk away unscathed. The person sitting next to them can die. So those arguments fail, but they always try to make those with us, especially in like a rear-end collision case. If a person's older and they get rear-ended, even though there's not a lot of damage, they're more likely to have a more serious injury. So there are so many different games the insurance companies try to play sometimes with us regarding pain and suffering. But basically it comes down to this. If you have a broken bone injury case, that's clearly going to be worth more money than a simple soft tissue injury where somebody gets rear-ended and they're basically done treating in 2 months. If someone has a soft tissue injury case, a back injury or a neck injury, a whiplash from a car accident, pain and suffering is determined on how long a person was totally disabled, where they were either bedridden or unable to work or unable to do much, or where they have recovered a little bit but they're partially disabled and they can do some of their activities but they can't do many of their more rigorous activities. Maybe they can't go to the gym or lift up their kid or things like that. And they look at periods of total and partial disability when figuring out pain and suffering. So if you have an injury case and you want a free consultation, please feel free to call us toll-free or fill out a contact form online, as we'd be happy to discuss your case with you. And we charge no fee until you obtain a settlement or recovery. Thank you.